Just give you a feel of what we've done so far. I know it's obviously groundbreaking, but what we've actually done is we've already installed precast concrete driven piles for the foundations, and we're just in the process of starting to dig out and then construct the pile caps and ground beams. This work will take us up until probably the end of the first week in January, where we'll be able to then start putting up the structural steel for the structure. And just to give you a bit of an overview, the structure's roughly 2,400 square metres of floor, 3 floors, and then a roof-mounted plant room. And the building itself is sort of good practices with environmental and sustainable measures. There's such things as solar panels, specialist glazing for heat loss, and other environmental features such as ground source heat pump system. So it's all incredibly environmentally friendly. Into the ground through that pipe, you can either gain the heating or the cooling from the ground, and then that's put through air handling units in the building and pumped through the building through hollow core slabs. So you have the heating and the cooling of the building. It's a bit like an ice pack. If you take your ice pack and put it in the freezer overnight, take it out in the morning, and then that ice pack sort of releases cold, sort of cold thermal properties into your room space, and that obviously creates your cooling. So incredibly environmental.
Good.
The building, it's quite a large building on a very tight space, and we are obviously having to sort of carefully coordinate deliveries, logistics, and the biggest issue is obviously the space and the surrounding area. Crawley and Three Bridges itself is quite tight. The road networks are not particularly great. You've passed underneath the low underbridge as you came up the access road on Williams Way. We've got sort of key sort of stakeholders around us, a venture playground next to us. So all these kind of things are obviously what causes the job to be sort of needing specialist management and being complex. The building itself, this is the 4th one of these that we've built for Network Rail, and through a sort of a careful, refined design process, we think that we've got the world-class building now.